In this video, we will inform you about the differences between linking of Aadhaar with bank accounts and seeding of bank account on NPCI Mapper in Aadhaar. Hello sir, how may I help you?
Hello madam. Madam, I'm having my account in your bank and I want to inquire about few things. I got to know that I'm not getting any benefits transferred in my bank account. So I checked the same with the concerned department and they informed that my bank account is not seeded on NPCI Mapper. Can you please help me with that?
Sure sir, I will help you with that. May I know if your bank account is linked with the Aadhaar?
Actually not aware about Aadhaar linking and seeding. Please tell me what is Aadhaar linking and seeding?
Aadhaar linking is a process by which the customer's account is linked with their Aadhaar number after due submission of documents by the customer and verification of documents by the bank. While Aadhaar seeding is a process in which the customer submits a written consent to the bank after linking the Aadhaar number to the account to update the same in NPCI Mapper.
This is great. Now I understood the difference between linking and seeding, but how do I receive benefits under the government schemes in my bank account?
So, Direct Benefit Transfer Program is an initiative of Government of India in which subsidies and other benefits are directly transferred to the bank accounts of the beneficiaries. The aim of Direct Benefit Transfer Program is to ensure transparency, reduce leakages, ghost beneficiaries, and improve the efficiency of welfare programs by directly reaching the intended recipients.
But how will government decide that in which bank account the subsidy or benefit needs to be transferred?
So, if you have multiple bank accounts, the DBT will be transferred into the bank account chosen by you, which has been seeded on NPCI Mapper.
Okay. And can you please tell me the process of Aadhaar seeding?
Yes, sir. In order to complete the Aadhaar seeding, customer needs to visit the bank branch where they are holding an account and submit the duly filled consent form provided by their bank. Customer can seed only one account with Aadhaar at any point of time. Then, the bank officials, after verifying the details and documents provided and authenticity of the customer based on the signature, will accept Aadhaar seeding consent form and provide an acknowledgement to the customer. The branch will then seed the Aadhaar number on NPCI Mapper. If customer account is not linked with Aadhaar, bank will first link it. Once the activity is completed, Aadhaar number will be reflected in NPCI Mapper. Customer can check the NPCI Aadhaar linking status online through following links: website of NPCI, website of UIDAI. So, you can also check the NPCI Aadhaar seeding status online through UIDAI website and NPCI website. To check the status of your NPCI Aadhaar seeding through UIDAI website, you may visit myaadhaar.uidi.gov.in. Click on the icon Bank Seeding Status. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number and enter security code. Type the character you see in the picture visible near the text box. Click Send OTP. OTP will be received on the mobile number that is linked to your Aadhaar number. Submit the OTP to check Aadhaar bank seeding status. The details provided include your masked Aadhaar number, bank seeding status, active or inactive, bank seeding date and name of the bank. To check the status of your NPCI Aadhaar seeding through NPCI website, visit www.npci.org.in. Click on icon Consumer. Click on icon Bharat Aadhaar Seeding Enabler BASE. In the form that opens, enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number. Type the character you see in the picture visible near the text box. Click Send OTP. OTP will be received on the mobile number that is linked to your Aadhaar number. Submit the OTP to check Aadhaar bank seeding status. The details provided include your masked Aadhaar number, last 4-digit visible, bank seeding status, active or inactive, bank seeding date and name of the bank.
आधार संबंधित लेटेस्ट वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मेरा आधार, मेरी पहचान।